Hi all, welcome to this YouTube video, and today I'm just going to go through how to roll out ink. It can be quite tricky sometimes to get it quite right, but it's all about the practice and it's all about the experimentation, so nothing at all to worry about. So what I have here is some black water-based ink, a blue handled Esday roller, and that's a soft roller, which I prefer because they come in different hardnesses, and I find that a soft roller is easier to transfer ink onto the lino surface, and my trusty old palette knife. Okay, so I'll pop those out of the way, and here's the ink. Give it a good shake. Right, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze out a layer of ink at the top of my palette, and with the palette knife I'm just going to smooth it out so it's about the same width as the roller itself. There we are. Just makes it a bit easier to bring the ink down. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to offer up the roller to the ink and just take up a little bit and then start rolling. Now all I'm doing here is trying to get a nice even layer of ink, not too thick, not too thin. Okay, and I'm rolling up and down and also side to side. Now it's quite noisy, this process, and the reason why it's noisy is because as I pull the roller back I'm actually lifting it and then it's slapping back down onto the surface, so I'm rolling, slap. And the reason why I'm doing that is because it helps to get an even layer on the roller. If I just went back and forth like this, then you'd only get ink on about half of the roller. Okay, so the really good practice is to lift and roll, lift and roll. There we go. Now I've actually got quite a decent covering there, so I don't need to bring any more ink down, but I could do if I thought I hadn't got enough on the roller initially, I can bring a bit more down. In fact, I've probably got a bit too much on there. Never mind. Okay. And you just want to keep working it. And what you're after is a nice suede-like appearance, a velvety suede-like appearance, which is quite difficult to show you on here. But there we are. We have a lovely, even layer of ink on the roller, if you can see that, nice and shiny. Okay, there we are. Thank you very much. I hope that was useful. Bye for now.